Uzalo actor Thobani Nzuza's gogo has passed away. Actor Thobani Nzuza is in mourning. The talented actor, best known for his roles as Kehla on Uzalo and Mndeni on eHostela, recently shared that his grandmother has passed away. And today she passed away, he said, remembering moments he shared with her. Thobani shared a screenshot of an interview he had with a local publication about how his grandmother used to tease him, using his role as a Ben 10 on Uzalo to make more grandkids. He said although his gogo used to make fun of him and his on-screen sugar mamas, she couldn't handle seeing him as Mndeni on eHostela. She quit watching the drama series, which often depicts violent scenes, after the first episode. Shortly after sharing that his gogo had passed away, heartfelt messages of condolences flooded the star's comment section. Xolani Gwala said, "I enjoyed reading this article so much and chuckled as I could see gogo in my mind's eye. I wasn't ready for the caption. I'm so sorry Thobani." Thobal said, "I'm so sorry for your loss. May her soul rest in eternal peace." Thobal said, "Condolences to you and your family. You've gained a guardian angel."